How would you like to use the world's most advanced video creation and video course technology to effortlessly create and sell amazing video courses that people absolutely love watching, all while catering to the $325 billion e-learning market, in which you could sell 10 times faster and easier than everyone else in that market? And the creme de la creme? It's all done using AI. You know how AI has decreased the time it takes to do something and increased the value of our products by enhancing what we can offer. And the wedding of AI and online marketing has created a monster of an industry, e-learning, $325 billion worth in size. Now, people love consuming content online through courses. Listen, we're in a time right now where most people know a little bit about just about everything, but don't know much about anything. And so what do? They take online video courses. I know I do. Video courses are cost-effective. They save time. They're adaptable to new trends. They are proven to boost performance, productivity, and statistically speaking, anyone who consumes or sells video courses makes more money, whether it's big companies or freelancers. Why? Well, first and foremost, because of the sheer size of this industry. This is a $325 billion industry. It's also the fastest growing industry, making it the perfect timing to start using video courses. Simply put, no matter what way you choose to monetize your video courses, whether by selling them on Udemy, selling freelance services, or sharing with your subscribers, it's always going to be more profitable for you, because that's the nature of video courses. They're almost like magic. So you're probably wondering, if it's so amazing, why isn't everyone doing this? Well, unfortunately, 99% who try their hand at video courses fail to achieve any success. And it's not really their fault. Why? Because the odds, well, they're against them. Think about it. $325 billion for the taking. Can you really produce video courses that are attractive and viral enough to take on the big dogs dominating the industry? Now, creating video courses can be a nightmare because you need to create quality video content, which is expensive and difficult. You need to plan the project, create a good story, produce a good quality video, edit the videos, and make sure they sell. Make sure they're hot and attractive. And the list goes on and on and on. So is all that hassle worth it? Well, absolutely. This is a millionaire-making industry. Of course it's worth it. But why work hard and wait months when there is an easier way? Allow me to introduce CourSeller, a new advanced course creation AI that we've developed and we've been using to increase our business 50 times in less than a year. First, let's meet the man behind CourSeller, Steve Tari, a 7-figure digital marketer and longtime techpreneur. Now, he's created and sold technology that changed the game for many marketers. And over the last decade, he's been successful with those simply because he knows how to recognize trends and jump on them early. One of those trends is e-learning and course creation. CourSeller makes course creation and selling those courses, well, easy. First, pick a niche or a keyword, and our smart AI assistant, Amber, immediately gets to work. She will guide you through what to tell her so she can create the course. Amber uses futuristic AML, that's artificial machine learning technology, of course, to create. Now, she can also recommend the hottest trending content guaranteed to get more buyers. Then, choose which type of course you want to create, video or ebook. Yes, our software will create both with ease. And finally, Amber alone will create the course in either video or ebook. Your choice. For video, Amber will literally take care of everything, including scripting, voiceovers, and rendering. You can make any changes you want to the slides that CourSeller auto creates. Rendering is the fastest in the industry thanks to our AML-based technology. For PDF, she will take care of content creation, which you can then edit in our editor and save directly on your computer. All these from just a keyword. And voila! Your video course is ready to download, shared, sold, or placed in your brand new Udemy-like membership website or uploaded to your favorite network. That's right, we're including a done-for-you e-learning membership site like Udemy, where you could start selling your courses without competition. You could even have multiple sites for various courses. We even teach you how to drive traffic to your sites. Now, selling courses, I've got to tell you, is where the money is at. No matter how you spin it, it's always profitable. And CourSeller makes it easy to find the hottest trending topics, create courses fast using AI and in multiple media, and simple to place in your own membership sites. And then, how to drive traffic to those sites. You have it all in one place with CourSeller. And if you want to see an awesome demonstration of how it works in real time, check out the demo on this page. Tap into this enormous e-learning industry today and start enjoying a business that you could be proud of and that will help thousands learn something new. Now, just for today, when you purchase CourSeller at the grand opening price, you get a special commercial license to each course you create. This is done automatically and gives you the right to start selling the video content and the video courses anywhere at all on the internet and keep all your profits. And if you'll check out the bonuses on this page, you'll see there's plenty more. So make sure to take advantage of today's special pricing and get your discounted license of CourSeller now. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you on the inside.